Most people looking for information will turn to one of the big internet search engines. And why not? At your fingertips, in an instance, you can search hundreds of millions of websites that can lead you to billions of documents. For checking quick facts on popular topics, this approach often works well. But for highly specialized and scholarly research, the results can be overwhelming. So much of that information can be irrelevant or outdated. The thesis might be weakly supported by evidence, poorly documented, or even downright false. Do you really have time to wade through a mountain of search results in order to determine which documents are authoritative enough to use in your research? And what about useful links you find but can't open without giving your credit card? It's frustrating to wade through page after page of web results only to find that a relevant and trustworthy resource is ensconced behind the infamous paywall. And that's not all. Did you know that a great deal of online content is not actually indexed and searchable by the major search engines? Some information vendors have proprietary content that they do not want to show up in public search engines. They don't allow the web spiders to crawl through and index their content. And yet, the statistics and documents in those unindexed systems could be highly relevant to your research. So where do you go when Google isn't getting the job done? At World Maritime University, you can start with the Library Discovery Service. For beginners, the Search Everything feature simultaneously searches EBSCO, ProQuest, Hein Online, OECD, Taylor & Francis, Springer, Science Direct, iLaw, the library shelves, and much, much more. Or you can limit your focus by searching in just one of our databases available to choose from in our A to Z database page. A high percentage of content in the library is peer-reviewed, that is, vetted by subject authorities, providing references and bibliographies that you can follow up on for your own verification or to pursue further reading. And in the WMU Discovery Service, you will also find a high percentage of content that you can access. Given all the systems and vendors involved, it's not flawless, but for the most part, we'll get you over those paywalls. And when we can't, just email us the citation and the library staff will find a way to get it to you. So why not start your research with the WMU alternative? Because not everything you find in Google is actually true. If you would like to know more or get further training, think about attending our upcoming series of courses specifically geared to help you leverage our online resources. When it comes to learning new technologies to help with research and writing, our motto is take time to save time. Look for upcoming announcements and sign up for our library classes and workshops.